Hi everyone. So I have been using this couch for close to 3 years now, and I mostly use damp cloth to just wipe off if there are any dust. But as you can see, it is very dry on the outside, like literally dry as you can see. And I just discovered that coconut oil could be used to brighten the leather and also maintain its texture. So I went ahead and stole my sister's coconut oil. So make sure that you have graciously poured some coconut oil with basically a facial towel. So I'm just using a facial towel. Basically, you can get it in the market. I think it's 2 cedis or 5 cedis or so. And then I'm just wiping it on the leather. You have to be very gracious to the coconut oil so that it will sink deep into the leather. I'm not saying go and pour oil on the leather, but then it should be very synced into the leather in order to give you a very good outcome. But then before I apply the coconut oil, I basically cleaned the sofa with a damp cloth like I usually do to wipe off any dust before I applied the oil. And as you can see, I am basically wiping it in, making sure that every corner of the leather, and see the dirt that came out. If you have a bigger couch or a wider couch, your hands are going to curse you. I really feel for my hands, I'm telling you. Child, I had to sit on the floor because I was so tired. But I wanted to make sure that I am not sparing any part of my couch so far as it is visible. I couldn't pull to do the back, but then I planned doing it very soon. But then since it wasn't visible, I just thought, let me just do it for you guys. So after I have applied the oil, I basically use the microfiber material. You can use polyester or any dry cloth to wipe off the excess oil on the outside after the leather has actually sunk in. So you can leave it for about, say, 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to sink in, and then use a dry cloth to wipe it off. And you literally won't feel any oily substance on your fingers when you wipe your finger on the leather. I'm done. I am so tired. I was so happy doing this, and I'm glad the outcome turned out to be good, guys. Can you see the outcome of my leather? Do you see any difference? Let me know if you see any difference and if you're going to apply it on your leather sofas, guys. I just discovered this and I couldn't wait to show you how my leather is looking in the room. I'm so in love. I literally don't sleep on the bed. I've been sleeping in the couch since I did this, I'm telling you. How do you see it? I'm glad I found out some cheap method to really maintain my couch. Coconut oil, face towel, and a dry cloth. Such a cheap method. I'm glad we did this from this method, or from this dry sofa into this. Thank you guys. Subscribe and share. Bye.